Hello, welcome to LeadMaster.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure and use the Bria4 Soft Phone for click-to-dial in LeadMaster. To begin with, you're going to need to set up the workgroup to make sure that it supports click-to-call. Go into the admin menu and select Manage Workgroups. If you don't have access to Manage Workgroups, please contact your administrator. There are two settings you'll need to configure. The phone number hyperlink needs to be enabled, and the phone number hyperlink provider needs to be selected for Bria4. Click Submit, and you're all set. The second thing you'll need to do is you'll need to go into Logon Management and open the privileges, and in the Viewing and Editing Records section, make sure that you have Click-to-Call enabled. Log off, log back in, and you're ready to go. Open the Bria4 Soft Phone. I like to place it right here on my desktop because it allows me to use the quick search box, and it also allows me to see the sales update or edit profile page. You'll need to configure the soft phone. It's fairly straightforward. You'll need to either add or edit an existing VoIP setup. The setup is fairly straightforward. Give it an account name, enter a user ID, a domain, and a password. The rest of the defaults are fine and should support click-to-call for you. Click OK. There's one other configuration option that I like. I like to make sure the phone is always on top so that when I click something in LeadMaster, the phone doesn't disappear. You're ready to start using click-to-call. Let's search for a phone number. Now, the first time you click on a phone number, you may get this message. Do you want to allow this website to open a program on your computer? Turns out that the Bria4 uses an API to communicate with LeadMaster, and you will need to allow that. So that it doesn't pop up every time, remove the check mark. Click Allow, and now it'll go ahead and dial. I'll hang up, and as you can see, now the next time that I dial, that message doesn't pop up. The soft phone works the same way in Firefox. Here I am in Firefox, click to call. So that's click-to-call from search results. We may also want to click-to-call on the sales update page. Any of the phone numbers on this page are hyperlinked. So for example, additional contacts. If you're on the edit profile page, the phone numbers, for the most part, are editable, and those are not click-to-call. However, in the review section, you do have click-to-call phone numbers. And this section can be configured by going into Customize Pages and dragging these phone numbers up to this section. I'm here in Google Chrome, and there is a security setting in here that you'll need to bypass in order to use the phone with Chrome. So when I click on a phone number, notice what pops up in the upper right-hand corner. It's a little shield up there. When you click on it, it says this page includes a script from unauthenticated sources. That is the Bria API that's communicating with LeadMaster. Click Load the unsafe script, and now you'll be able to click to call. So let's go ahead and search again. And in addition to dialing, you'll notice that this page is no longer secure. It's because the script that communicates between LeadMaster and the soft phone is not HTTPS. This concludes the tutorial on the Bria4 Soft Phone.